Hi guys, this is Nick with Acme Concrete Raising Repair. We're over here in Palatine. We're about to tackle a huge garage floor job. The garage floor is cracked and sunk in multiple spots. There's a huge dip right in the middle. There's also a concrete step that we've got to bust out and remove. The step was going to impede us from lifting the floor, so we're about to break it up in a couple pieces and remove it so that we can go ahead and lift the floor. And then after we're done lifting, the customer, I believe, is going to get the floor coated, and it's going to look brand new. So I'm going to take you guys for a walk around, show you exactly what we've got today, and get ahead with the project.
This two-car garage in Palatine has severe cracks and sections that are sunk along the foundation walls and through the middle of the floor. The uneven surface prevents water from draining and leaves the concrete unstable. Replacing a floor like this can cost about $8,000 to $10,000. Here you can see our crew injecting high-density polyurethane foam beneath the garage floor. The material expands right away, filling hidden voids and lifting the slabs back into position. As the process continues, the slope of the floor is restored so water drains properly and the concrete is stabilized against future settlement. Compared to tearing out and replacing the slab, which is expensive and time-consuming, polyurethane lifting happens in just hours. The result is a durable, cost-effective repair with minimal mess or disruption.
Okay, so there you go. We went ahead and lifted the garage, leveled it from side to side, made it perfectly flat, and then we've got it pitching away from the back wall, so water will now drain out of there. If you got snow melting off your car during the winter, that's not going to stand in the garage. Same thing with rain. So yeah, the job is completed, and now the customer is going to get it coated, and everything looks great.
With the lifting finished, this garage floor is now level, stable, and draining the way it should. Instead of a costly replacement, the homeowner ends up with a long-lasting repair that's ready for immediate use.